sharp will sound re, your G sharp will sound mi, and you will not have anything to struggle to do. You will struggle to do nothing.
So when we're transposing the music from a scale,
it's like a transposition, yes.
From a scale of when we teach the kids, they can't hit the notes for higher notes. So we transpose the music from C to F, or
lower to a lower note, a lower key.
Lower key. So normally we play on C. So on that note, you start in Do when you're singing. Is it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So we've been
that interval
of
automatically shifts. Yeah, it shifts.
So there's no relation to the key when you're playing and to the sound.
No,
exactly.
No, your scales remain, but the
starting point changes with
the solfa, the tune from the solfa will still be the same thing when you shift it, but it might be lower or it might be higher. But the tune, the key remains. The interval, the sounds, and everything remains. So that is it. I'm just trying to make it easier for us to read, so that when you start seeing 3 sharps, 4 flats, you don't get confused. You understand? You don't get confused. Oh my God, I hate flats.
We do that too.
Yeah, then you just give up immediately. That I cannot learn this thing. So that cannot be. But with what I have arranged so far, I will share it with all of you. When you have, I made it so easy that I have to note where the do's are, the do's of every key, so that we don't have to start learning it like that. After this key, okay, let's learn this key and then learn that key. But when you understand where the do is, that's a starting point. Then you can trace the rest on the lines and the spaces so easily. So, but whatever we're doing now is to understand the interval of
the intervals.
Notes. So we're going to extend this now. We're going to extend it to so. Although I've planned to stop it here, because everything is going to be step by step until we understand the sound, and then we extend it to do. We go down, we go higher, and then you can handle any range of notes.
So that will be very useful in intervals, right?
Intervals,
yes,
exactly.
Whether they're together or separately.
Yes,
okay.
That will help in intervals as well. And there is no interval you play that I cannot tell you what to play in terms of pitch. It's very easy. Once you understand it, you can feel it anytime. You can feel it anytime. That's this money with me. All right. Okay. So let's get the scale from do to so.
You don't need to take another video.
Oh, okay.
I send it to
so let's take a key. If you watch, I'm not using keyboard. I don't need to use keyboard. Just take a key and then we'll do the rest. If you use keyboard, it will still be the same. If you take any other key, you will still arrive at the same interval of sounds. All right, let's go. We have to go. Oh no, that's too low for some. Do, okay. Do is okay for all of us. All right. So do, re, mi, fa, mi, fa. Let's hum it. Can you see the sound similar kind of?
Yeah.
But there is a slight shift. There is a slight shift. So this is a half. This is like half step. Half step. It's like you are singing a sharp of a note. So, but each time you want to make any sound from mi to fa, mi, fa. If you are a fa, you want to go down to mi, fa, mi, fa, mi. For those who sing alto, you normally have something like that, or tenor. I think tenor, yeah. Like in the plagal cadence, in some hymns and all that. That's fa mi sound.
Okay.
That is fa mi sound at all time. So then Let's continue from the fa, so. It's a whole tone. So it's a full step. Fa, so, do, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, do, so, do, so, do, double, do, so, so. Sounded like something. All right. So that can help you to understand the sound you have to take for. So that can help you to know the interval you take there. All right. At least do something there. That's cool. So that's it. So that these things can also help in one way or the other. Meanwhile, we need to naturally understand them. Okay. So let's go. I think I have to make it legible. We're running out of time. We'll be running out in a short time.
It's 10 minutes past. It's 12:30 now.
Juliet, check your time.
Wait, I will be using that in my class.
Half. So let's start now. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, sol, do, sol, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, sol, mi, sol, mi, sol, fa, mi, sol, mi, sol, mi. So somebody sing so far, so far, mi, so far, mi, so mi. Do you understand? So when you have such problem and you're not sure of the sound, just say so far, mi, so far, mi, so mi. So stress on the key notes you want.
The descending is
And
actually
then
tough.
so,
Ascending is okay.
Yeah, mi, so, mi, so.